Welcome to our episode on the role of diet in fitness, understanding the fundamental link. Join our Wellness Warrior community, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of nutrition, exploring how diet plays a crucial role in fitness and overall well-being. The link between diet and fitness. Our journey begins by understanding how closely diet and fitness are connected. You've likely heard the phrase "you are what you eat." This holds especially true when it comes to fitness. The food you consume fuels your body for physical activity, aids in recovery post-workout, and helps you achieve your fitness goals. How food fuels fitness. Let's talk about how food fuels fitness. Imagine your body as a car. The quality of the fuel you put in directly affects its performance. The same applies to our bodies. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the primary sources of energy for our bodies. Each of these nutrients has a unique role in providing the energy we need and maintaining our body function. Nutrients' role. Carbohydrates serve as your body's main energy source, proteins aid in recovery and muscle growth, and fats support numerous functions, including vitamin absorption, hormone production, and even serving as an energy source when carbohydrate availability is low. A balanced diet that includes these nutrients can support your fitness regimen, improve performance, and aid in recovery. The role of diet in recovery and growth. Just as food fuels physical activity, it also plays a critical role in recovery and growth. Consuming protein after a workout aids in muscle recovery and growth, while replenishing lost carbohydrate stores. Moreover, certain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. Diets for fitness. Now that we've established the fundamental link between diet and fitness, let's look at some specific diets that can support your fitness journey. Remember, everyone is unique and what works for one might not work for another, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is a balanced dietary approach that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins like fish and poultry, and healthy fats like olive oil. Research suggests this diet can support heart health and weight management, both of which can contribute to overall fitness. Plant-based diet. A plant-based diet, focusing on foods from plant sources, can also be an excellent choice for fitness. This can include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Plant-based diets are typically high in fiber and antioxidants, promoting good digestion and reducing inflammation. High-protein, low-carb diets. High-protein, low-carb diets, such as the paleo or ketogenic diet, can be suitable for those looking to lose weight or increase muscle mass. These diets emphasize proteins and healthy fats while reducing carbohydrate intake. The role of hydration. In any fitness journey, hydration plays a vital role. Water is essential for virtually all bodily functions, including nutrient transport and muscle contraction. As a rule of thumb, aim to drink at least half of your body weight in ounces of water each day, and remember to replenish fluids lost during workouts. Key takeaways. To sum up, a balanced diet is the cornerstone of fitness. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you can optimize your workouts, recover better, and more efficiently reach your fitness goals. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to diet, so it's crucial to find a dietary plan that suits your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. Consult a healthcare provider or dietitian to help you devise the most effective and balanced diet plan for you. At Wellness Warriors Hub, we believe in the transformative potential of adopting a holistic wellness perspective. Our channel is devoted to providing you with insightful information, useful advice, and motivational content to optimize your physical, mental, and emotional health. Thank you all for joining us today, and here's to your health and fitness journey.